Okay, good afternoon. My name is Julian Jones and I am in the section for Miss Arnold, and today I will be conducting my experiment limiting factors. So for procedure number 1, we already gathered our ingredients, our materials and stuff, and I've gathered a funnel to make it easier for the baking soda to get into the balloon. I also labeled the bottles as well, just to not confuse me. And for procedure number 2, I already labeled them, and I will now be adding the amount of baking soda to the balloon. So for balloon number 4, it needs about 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Now for the last one, I'll be placing 1/4 teaspoon. Okay. Now we'll be placing 100 ml of vinegar in each of the 4 bottle or containers. Okay, now it's reached the 100 ml for the first one. Okay, so now it's already full. Now we're going to be placing the balloon filled with baking soda to the respective bottles without the vinegar and the baking soda touching. Okay. Now balloon number 2. More secure, we can also place tape on it. Tape on it so that it can close more or no spillage can occur. Okay, just for some. Okay, just for some. Okay, now it says once the 4 experiments are set up, do the following to each apparatus. Now I'm going to be turning it over so that the acid can react. This is number 4. And this is bottle number 3, and it's filling up with baking soda. Okay. It's kind of heavy. Number 2. And this is the last bottle. The baking soda, this is bottle number 1. It's kind of open. So although bottle number 1 kind of was a little bit opened, but what it should have been, the results was, because more baking soda is placed, then obviously the balloon number 4 was the biggest, because more baking soda was placed than 3, 2, and 1 at the same amount of 100 ml of vinegar. And the purpose for limiting reactants is basically to find which reactant is complete and to help to see when the reactant is going to stop. And for this experiment, we use acetic acid, which is the vinegar, sodium bicarbonate, which is the baking soda, which gives off a decomposition reaction of carbonic acid and carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide is the gas that made the balloon go up, and we normally can see that a decomposition reaction took place. And also for the calculations, if 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda is estimated 1.25 grams, if this reacts with 100 grams of vinegar, how many moles of carbon dioxide can be produced? I calculated and I got 0.01.5 moles and also 1.665. And for 2, the next question, 10 gram sample of sodium bicarbonate was reacted with excess acetic acid. 111.88 grams of carbon dioxide was collected. Calculate theoretical yield for this reaction, and I got was 0.119 mole and also 2.54 moles. So that's kind of basically it. There was, well, only number 2 and 3 kind of similar. It was the amount of baking soda was kind of the same. The first one, well obviously this was a little bit, so it didn't fill as much, but we know that number 4, being that it was more amount of baking soda, it got more bigger, so more the decomposition reaction took place more. And I believe that the limiting factor could be carbon dioxide for this, and a little bit more of water. And this is basically my experiment. Thank you.